Hello, and welcome to Chef Gazpacho's show. I'm Chef Gazpacho, the pig. Sweet. Okay. So, what we are going to be cooking on our show is cinnamon rolls. Cinnamon rolls. Okay, that's enough. Nope, that's not cinnamon rolls. Okay. I am not wearing my chef hat. I know. The producer, or whatever it's called, the producer forgot to make me one. Anyways, anywho, okay, today we're going to be really making hot dog. So, let's go. Okay, so let's go over to our station, which, oh yeah, here we are at our station. Okay, sorry for that commercial break. So, here are the ingredients. Oh yeah, okay, so we need some fresh ketchup. Oh yeah, some relish in a bottle. Oh, actually just normal relish. And then some mustard. Gorgeous, I know. Oh yeah, okay. And then a hot dog bun and a sausage. Nice sausage. Okay, so let's put, hold on, let's use the relish bottle to put this down. Wait, no. Yep. Okay. And we're going to squeeze the sausage out. One sec. Okay, so we just took the sausage out of the microwave, heat it for 30 seconds, and then take the hot dog bun and heat it for 10 seconds so it's softer. But if you already have a soft hot dog bun, then you don't have to heat it. If you have a hard hot dog bun, then heat it to 10 seconds only so it gets a little softer. Now, you take the mustard. Oh yeah, take the beautiful mustard. I want to hurry up before my battery dies because it's already running. Okay, now squeeze. Oh yeah, look at that, look at that. That's just gorgeous. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, okay. Now, throw that away. Now we add ketchup. Oh, just beautiful. This is my new shirt. Oh, well no, I thought I stained something. Okay, so now, take this and squeeze it. Beautiful. I know, it looks like blood. Haha, let me suck your blood. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Okay, now take the relish, and then, you have got to be kidding me, right? Oh, there we go. Well, okay, and now take the relish and just put it on your beautiful little hot dog. If you don't have a pet dog, don't do this. Or, if you do have a pet dog, don't do this at home, please. And we'll see you next time on the Chef Gazpacho show. Thanks for watching, guys. And that's how you make a hot dog. And now grab a bag of chips, sit down in front of your TV, act lazy, and watch Good Luck Charlie. Goodbye, and I'm gonna kill you. Bye.